How to choose an electrical appliance. As you know, you use electrical appliances for many purposes. Each appliance is designed for a specific purpose, and it should waste as little energy as possible. Suppose you are a rock musician at a concert. You would need appliances which transfer the variation in sound waves into electricity, then back to sound waves. But you don't want the appliances to transfer a lot of thermal energy. The microphone is one of these appliances because it transfers the sound waves to electric current, and then the electric current will be transformed into sound waves emitted by the speakers, amplifying the sound of music. When a person sings, his voice is a sound wave carrying energy. So when these waves hit the microphone converts the energy of these sound waves into electric current through electromagnetic process. After that, the electric current transforms to a sound wave again. Now consider the other appliances which transfer a form of energy into electricity, such as drums, piano, and electric guitar.